these monkeys come down out of the tree, testing all the foods in the environment, and lo and behold, in the manure of these ungulate mammals that are radiantly bright among the foods in the environment, and low mushrooms, and the presence of large amounts of tryptophan in manure as a substrate means that these copper-fitted mushrooms allow the rare psilocybin. So here is this new grass piece of visualizing themselves of this food item. So there was reinforcement there. Aha, the hallucinogenic plants. The hallucinogenic plants. And no one, the hallucinogenic plant. Parallel with them, an evolving strange state of mind. Dinanthera paragrima.